Title: The Mysterious Year Clock Affair. It was a gloomy Monday morning at the prestigious international accounting firm, Numerics and Associates. The rain pattered against the tall office building's windows, as Sally, a dedicated employee in the HR department, settled into her desk. As she switched on her computer, she noticed an odd email in her inbox. The subject line read, "The year clock demands payment." Baffled, Sally opened the email, only to find an ominous message. "Dear Sally, the year clock is not pleased. In 3 days, you must transfer $50,000 to the account below, or suffer the consequences. You have been warned." The year clock. Sally's heart raced. While she had been helping clients maintain their year clocks and navigate labor regulations and payroll issues, she had never encountered anything like this. Unsure of what to do, Sally confided in her supervisor. Upon hearing Sally's predicament, her supervisor suggested they call in the renowned detective, Hercule Poirot. In no time, Poirot arrived at Numerics and Associates, ready to crack the case. "Mademoiselle Sally, I understand you have received a menacing email," Poirot said, his mustache twitching inquisitively. "Please, tell me everything you know." Sally recounted the details of her work and the email she had received. As she spoke, Poirot's eyes gleamed with curiosity. "Interesting," Poirot mused. "I believe we are dealing with someone who knows your company well. Let us examine the website you maintain." Upon investigating the website, Poirot discovered a hidden page with a countdown timer, set to expire in 3 days, the same deadline mentioned in the email. The detective's suspicions were confirmed. This was no ordinary extortion attempt. With his trademark precision, Poirot began to scrutinize every aspect of Sally's work life. He interviewed her colleagues, analyzed her client list, and dug deep into the company's HR and payroll services. On the second day of his investigation, Poirot called Sally and her supervisor into a conference room. He paced back and forth, his hands clasped behind his back, before finally speaking. "I have solved the mystery," he declared. "The person behind this extortion attempt is none other than Mr. Thomas Greenfield, a former employee of Numerics and Associates." Sally gasped, remembering Mr. Greenfield as a disgruntled employee who had been terminated months ago. Poirot explained, "I found that Mr. Greenfield had secretly embedded the countdown timer on your website before leaving the company. He knew about your role in maintaining the year clocks and used it to craft a threatening message. His motive was to exact revenge on the company by exploiting your valuable services." With Poirot's help, the authorities apprehended Mr. Greenfield, and the company's IT team removed the hidden timer from the website. Relieved and grateful, Sally thanked Poirot for his extraordinary detective skills. As he departed, Hercule Poirot offered Sally one final piece of advice. "Mademoiselle, remember to always be vigilant in your work. For in the world of business, there are many mysteries waiting to be uncovered."